After Optima Willow Springs, back at Parkland Automotive. Got to figure out what that issue is with the differential. Baby's got to come out. As we can see, it's quite easy to come out of here. I say that tongue-in-cheek. We'll get this out. Got a little oil leak going on with the dry sump, but we'll figure that out pretty quickly. Car ran pretty well, so we'll get this over to probably Ramjet, figure out what we need to replace, if not the whole thing. So news at 11. So a couple hours later, you can see we got the diff out. Interesting enough, we took, you know, several parts off, but here's what I noticed. These brake lines here were not in their positions, and they were rubbing against the drive shaft, which is a sound we noticed. But also I noticed that we had some rubbing going on here against the drive shaft, so we gotta do a little better job. Luckily the sound was not a bearing, but since we have some silver paint coming out of this thing, we'll go see how bad it is inside of there. Guessing that the ring is wearing prematurely. That's 4 years old, so maybe not prematurely. But get it rebuilt, get it back in, tighten up the lines, probably replace that fuel line, and be set. Alright, man, see what happens. Let's go ahead and let the install begin. It's 12 o'clock, Tuesday after the race, 1 week later. Got it back. Let's get it done. Trans jack / differential jack makes us easy. Gonna put this baby in there. Shouldn't take that long. Right tools. Outstanding. About 1 hour later, she's hanging by herself. A little sketchy with one man, but trans jack made a huge difference. Just need to torque it down, put the axles in, put the drive shaft in, and we should be good. Not too bad. All right, wrapping up for the evening. It's actually about 4 o'clock. Made some room here by grinding out, actually just filing. We're all torqued down on this side. We're all torqued down in the middle. I'm going to do a little more Dremel on this side here. Take a little space out so we can get maybe another 1/4 degree. Do that in the morning. Going to make sure that my fuel line doesn't come up or off. So we're going to put a thread cert and a bolt there. Really just put in the drive shaft and the exhaust, put the brake on the driver's side, and we should be ready to rock. Probably should put some fluid in it, but that's about it. All right, see you in the morning. All right, time to get her done and get her out. Fix number 2. We won't have these lines snap out and hit against the drive shaft. Project 3, we're now going to give this just a little bit of space using a Dremel, just so we can slide it back at maybe a 1/4 degree. See how it goes. The Dremel made very fast work of making the adjustments here. I just used the bolt to make sure everything was perpendicular, and we should be good to go. Should get another, I don't know, 1/4 degree. That's all I need. Should work out fine. While everything's out of the way, I decided to rewire the speed sensor on the transmission. The 2 tangs on the back or on the edges were broken on the other one, so now we have a brand new one. Taking the time. She's in, all the fluids are in. Just gotta put the wheels on, exhaust, drive shaft, fixed a few things. Just wanted to give you a sneak peek what's underneath here. We got some killer mod shocks, full tilt boogie. We got a little bigger muffler. X pipe, got some pipes running down the side for what we need here. V-bands. Cortex SLA up front. Brake ducts. Aviaid Drysump. It's all looking good. Sweet.